Right now, everything around you, your screen, your coffee, even you, is made of mostly nothing. Because atoms, the building blocks of reality, are 99.9999999% empty space. So what's really inside an atom? And why does it matter? Zoom into an object, anything at all, down to the molecules that make it up, then down to the atoms that make up those molecules. Suddenly, you realize most of what you're looking at isn't actually there, because inside each atom is a universe of activity. At the center is the nucleus, protons and neutrons, positively and neutrally charged particles. They're like the sun and its planets. But wait, there's more. Because whizzing around the nucleus are negatively charged electrons, zipping at near light speed in a blur of probability. Okay, let's take a minute to unpack that last part. Electrons don't orbit like tiny planets around a sun. They exist as probability clouds. We can't say exactly where they are, only where they might be. But what about the center of the atom? That's not a solid sphere either. The nucleus is made of even smaller particles called quarks. These guys are held together by another spooky action at a distance. Gluons. Yes, gluons. We literally named the force that holds matter together glue. So you've got gluons sticking quarks together to form protons and neutrons, electrons whizzing around in a haze, tiny particles, empty space, strange forces. How does any of this make sense? And why should you care? Because this invisible dance is why everything exists. The rules inside atoms control chemical reactions, energy, light, life itself. Every heartbeat, every breath, every glowing screen. It all works because atoms behave exactly the way they do. Now, those aren't the only ways atoms can be useful. Nuclear power, atom. DNA replication, atom. Why the sun shines, atom. And when we split an atom's nucleus, we unleash energy millions of times more powerful than burning fuel. That's because in splitting an atom, some of its mass is converted to pure energy. Einstein's E equals mc squared. The equivalence of mass and energy. This discovery changed the world. So yeah, you should care about what's inside an atom, because everything you know about the world, everything you are, it comes from these guys. And the weirdest part, most of the hydrogen in your body was formed during the Big Bang. The carbon in your brain, forged in the heart of dying stars. You are literally made of stardust, held together by tiny forces, governed by strange laws, spinning in a mostly empty space. Next time you look at your hand, remember, you're looking at a miracle of physics, born in the heart of a star, made of particles we barely understand. Atoms may be small, but their story is huge. If you want more science stories that blow your mind, hit subscribe and explore the universe, one particle at a time.